had to fix Dai's hair earlier over there. So now they're back, refreshed. While you guys were taking a break, we asked for some questions from the audience member, and got some really good ones. I hope you don't mind. We'll start with the one from our friend from Thailand. Dai, if Shun were a color, what color would he be and why?
Should would be
Oh, so hard your question.
should would be
Rainbow.
purple.
What?
Purple. Why?
Because should would be cool. Should could be cute. Should could be a safe place for me. I was like wondering whether it's
I purple you!
because he's very true to himself, so I was gonna say green, but
Di sana all.
probably purple.
I purple you!
You know, purple is actually a great color for Shun because purple is also the color, they say, of royalty. And you said when you met Shun for the first time, you thought he was a prince. Ah,
He's the
that warms my
princess.
heart so much. Okay, Shun, what color would Dai be? Naniro desu ka? Dai-sama.
Green flag!
What? Why? What is yours?
Pure.
何色にもなりそうな
Ano daw?
Oh, because he can change into any color. I thought white because I surrender. Such great answers. Okay, one more quick one I'll squeeze in. Shun, someone was asking, after hearing you sing, she was really, really impressed by your singing voice. Where did you learn how to play piano and produce? どこで習ったんですか、ピアノは。
ピアノは、小学生の時に習い事をして1年間やったけどそれぐらいでなんかあとは18歳ぐらいから自分でやり始めて、
で、プロデューサーとかのあれは
プロデューサーっていうか作曲は
Wala
18歳からし
subtitle.
始めました一人で
Sugoi. Okay, so he learned piano in school. I mean, most Japanese schools, they do teach piano talaga. And then after he turned 18, he just started learning it on his own and he started writing songs at
Wow.
18 as well. We look forward to hearing a lot of really cool original songs from you. Okay. Survive! Survive! Alright! We're not gonna make you guys wait any longer. Naka-standby yung tanong mo for later. Don't worry. Let's get the Magical Bowl app because we're gonna give you guys a chance to join us on stage and play a quick game with Daishu. Do you guys have your numbers with you? Asan yung mga numbers nyo? Labas nyo na? Ayan. So, we're gonna get Dai and Shun to choose some lucky fans
Wala,
to
ayun,
join us
sige
on
muna.
stage. Please listen carefully. Makinig po ng mabuti. When I call your numbers, please stand by this side of the stage and then sabay-sabay po kayo aakyat. Okay? Mag-manifest na kayo! Diyan. Guys, ang guys. Don't look, don't look.
Diyos ko,
First
paspas
number
sa
is?
sarili!
21.
21, are you here?
Lagi na lang ako.
21! Okay.
Diyos ko, dahil ayusin mo naman. Hala!
63
63!
Hala, edad ko yan.
Meron po ba? Asan na si 63? 5,
Una, tuloy!
4, is that you?
La!
Okay, ganun po ba? Do you want to join us on stage? Yes? Okay, please come join us. Alright, and then one more player, last one. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Alright, so Ishani. Ishani ba? Oh. Let's go.
Hala, hala, hala! Uy, wag kang palitan!
22.
Right here.
Eh?
5. Please watch her camera. That looks very expensive.
Lagi na lang ako ano.
Or take some photos of her with her camera. There you have it. Let's welcome your 3 lucky fans on stage. Come up and join us. What are your names? Dito po tayo. Dito po tayo. Okay. What are your names? Jen. And how long have you been a fan of Taishun? Wow, so matagal na rin. And we have Yui. Are you Japanese? Oh, yo, sorry. Okay, we have Yui, and we have Honey. Do we have Thai, Japan, and Philippines? Oh, Japan also. Oh, sorry, Japan, and Philippines. Okay. Let's do this. The pressure. This one is called Sketch It and Guess It.
Let's go,
Very,
Philippines!
very easy. Very, very simple mechanics. Alright? We're gonna get either Dai or Shun to draw an image
Ay, patay tayo dyan.
based on the description the other person gives. So for example, okay, who wants to draw first?
Si Dai.
Who's better? Who's the better artist? Dai! Okay. So I will show Shun a picture. Shun cannot say
Ah.
what is on the picture, but he can describe it to Dai. Dai will draw it, and as he's drawing it, our lucky fans will guess what that is. If you know what it is, raise your hand right away, and then tell me your guess. If it's correct, then you win a point. Ganun lang po kasimple.
Let's
Okay?
go,
So the first player must describe the image, so the second player will then draw it on a drawing pad. Can we get the drawing pad? Where's the drawing pad? Okay. And then after that, we'll get Dai and Shun to switch roles and then race to 3 po tayo. Tama? Okay.